coconut. But today I have the new idea to install the
today is so hot, and you can see my coconut farm. It needs the water. It take from the other place to refill or to cure it. So today I will show the using tip or using measure to fill my coconut farm. Okay, then I will go. Okay, now I start to install, set up the input and valve here. You can see that I assemble already, and then I start to set up it by using the screw here.
This is the same. I assemble at home and then I start to set up it. I start to put this. I start to set up the output pipe. Did I use the big pipe with the 60 millimeter? Now start to set up it.
Okay, right now I set up already, so you can see one valve that can close and open, and then I close it. I will fill the water into the drum. Okay, go to check it. And I just use one air pressure. It's very important to stuck or to stop the air when it's come back from the end of the output pipe. Make sure it cannot screw into the main drum here. Okay, and then now I go to take the basket to fill water to in this drum.
Okay, now before I fill the water to into the drum, I will connect the input pipe. Yeah. Okay, done. Okay, start to fill the water to this drum. Okay, then I start to fill water to the main drum here. Full. Okay. Right now it's full. So I will start to close the valve. Okay. You can see the input pipe that I connect from the ensign, very ensign valve. There's no nothing, just dig the land to make a valve here, connect through by this pipe. And right now I start to close the double valve here. Okay, and then I will start to open the main valve. Our insulin is so strong. Okay, right now the process zone. It is air pressure. So right now let's go to see how does it work with me. Okay. Now I will start to open. How does it work? How does it flow? How does it suck from the ensign valve? No using anything, just ditch the land to make a hole, right? Like a pond. Okay, then I start to open it. How does it work? Oh, you can hear the sound. Wow, wow, right? It's good flowing. It's good for my cocoon here that you can see along here, cocoon farm. Because the previous day every day I just use my hand to take the water from the deep well to fill my cocoon. But today I have the new idea to install the free energy water pump. Like this, non-stop for 24 hours per day. Oh, good.
Okay, I think it's successful. So right now I will go to check, and then I back home. I leave it here. Okay. Go. Oh, I can hear the dropping sound in this drum. Okay, today my job's well done. So the last I want to say thank you for all of you that you spend the time to see my video, my explanation, my installing today. Hope to see you next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.